Knowledge and skill. What exactly is the difference between the two? Hey guys, it's Saheli, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what is the difference between knowledge and skill, because these two terms are often used interchangeably in the freelancing community and also in the online business community. But these two things are very, very different from each other, although they are sort of related. Let's talk about knowledge first. Knowledge is when you have some theoretical knowledge about a certain field or certain areas. For example, you can acquire knowledge by watching a lot of YouTube videos. You can acquire knowledge by reading a lot of articles or reading a lot of books. You can acquire knowledge by actually consuming content on a regular basis. So let's say someone has watched 1,000 videos on how to start a successful YouTube channel or how to grow a successful blog. They'll probably be able to give advice, okay, because they've read so extensively. It's likely that they know, okay, so that's why they have knowledge in that area. However, it is called a skill when someone has actually grown a YouTube channel or has helped other people grow their YouTube channels, if they have first-hand experience of the thing that they are talking about. And knowledge is easier to acquire than the skill, because skill takes practical learning. I can tell you everything that you need to do to actually grow an Instagram account, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you will be able to, because if you don't apply it, you won't learn exactly how to do it. It's almost like learning maths. When you know the formulas, you have the knowledge. But when you can actually solve the sums using those formulas, that's when you have the skill. So this is the major distinction between knowledge and skill. When you are highly educated about a certain niche, you can actually charge people to talk to them, to give them your advice or give them the piece of information that they were looking for. Now, if you have knowledge, great. A lot of people base their consultations on the knowledge that they have. However, the most highly paid consultants or teachers or coaches are those who have real skills, who have actually built a business for themselves. Let's talk about the business coaching niche. In business coaching niche also, you will find probably two different types of people. Number one is the kind of coach who has never built a business themselves. Their only business is the coaching business itself. And they teach others how to make 6-figure and 7-figure businesses. I'm pretty sure that this person actually knows a lot about their business, because otherwise they won't start the business in the first place. But if they have not built a business by themselves, which is not only this coaching business, that probably means that they are not that skilled themselves, because otherwise they would have probably applied it to their lives and built a 6 or 7-figure business. So I would not trust this person that much, because they don't have practical skills. And unless you actually have practical skills, there's a lot that you miss out on. On the second hand, there are other people who have reached a certain level. Maybe they have built a successful business and now they are teaching other people how to start a successful business. I would probably trust this person much more, because I'm sure that this person has the skill. I remember when I was buying my first course, like it was a very expensive course. It was Marketing Accelerator Academy. I'll leave it in the links below if you want to check it out, but it's okay if you can't afford it, okay? Honestly, for marketing or any other niche, there are plenty of free resources available. The only problem is that people don't utilize free resources properly. So yeah, when I took that course, the first thing I saw is that the teacher herself, she had her own freelancing agency, and it was a very successful agency. I had, and I still do, come across a lot of people who are running ads for themselves for their coaching programs, consultation programs, and the problem with them is that they don't have anything to show, at least not on their landing pages, that will tell me that they have done it for themselves. Okay, they are just sharing knowledge on a certain factor without telling me how skilled they themselves are at it, which is a little bit problematic. Would you like to learn formulas and maths from someone who themselves can't solve the problems? They know everything, but they haven't tried their own hand at it. Probably not, right? So that is the difference between knowledge and skill. And if you want to get paid highly, if you want to make very good income, focus on the skill part. Okay, knowledge is important. It's the first thing that you know before you actually work on your skills. For example, you need to know what are the popular ways to grow an Instagram account, or what are the not so popular ways to grow an Instagram account if you want to be skilled at growing an Instagram account. And this works in each and every category. You have to have the basic knowledge, and then only with application you will improve that knowledge. So make sure that you know the difference between knowledge and skill. Don't confuse the two, and try to focus on skill. That'll be all for today's video. I hope that you found this video valuable. If you are interested in starting a career as a freelancer, my mentorships are open for booking. I've got some great results for my past students, and I would love to work with you to see if we can get the same results for you or even better. Who knows? Now, if you want to get enrolled, make sure that you click the link in the description below, and it'll take you to my landing page, which you can review for all the deliverables, all the things you'll get. And if you think that you're a good fit, then definitely do book a session with me, and I'll be helping you out in starting your freelance journey. This is Saheli signing off. Bye bye.